Okay, we've sanded the neck all down. Got it nice and smooth. Then I used my palm sander to further smooth it down. We had to cut a little piece off the back because it was hanging down here, so we had to cut this to fit. So now our head's going to fit inside the neck. Okay, it's where I want it, level with the bottom. So what we're going to do is, and I got my mark here that I marked earlier for my center, so we're going to drill our hole for our stick. I'm going to use a 1-inch stick, which will go up in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And our batteries down. So we're going to drill this up in here, and then we'll come back with our next step. Thanks for watching.